This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the question and tangible success criteria. This guides every decision. Collect a data inventory and verify access, schema, and sample size. Install and configure your analysis environment, include libraries, and enable version control. Once done, create a reproducible notebook and document assumptions. Make sure to note expected outputs and validation checks so you can measure progress and avoid rework. You now clean and explore the data. Start with schema validation and systematic handling of missing values or outliers so downstream models behave. Generate exploratory visuals and summary statistics to reveal patterns and potential biases. Once you see relationships, engineer features that capture signals, encode categorical variables, and scale numeric columns as appropriate. Make sure to iterate, test hypotheses, log results, and keep transformations reproducible for modeling and stakeholder review. You finalize by training a baseline, then improved models using cross-validation and targeted hyperparameter tuning. Evaluate using metrics aligned to your success criteria and inspect residuals for systematic errors. Once satisfied, package code, data snapshots, and a clear report with visualizations and actionable recommendations. If deployment is required, prepare reproducible pipelines and tests. Troubleshooting tip: if performance drops, revert to saved preprocessing steps, recheck data leakage, and confirm the validation split mirrors production conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.